A federal court strikes down a ban on handgun advertisements by firearms retailers in California. A North Carolina town attempts to suspend the Second Amendment in preparation for Hurricane Florence, and a Nevada college professor shoots himself in protest of President Trump. These stories and more on This Week in Gun Rights. Firearms retailers in the state of California won a huge victory this week as U.S. District Court Judge Troy Nunley ruled that a California law dating back to 1923, which banned licensed gun dealers from displaying handgun signs or advertising, is unconstitutional and violates their First Amendment rights. That's right. Gun store owners couldn't put up a picture of a handgun that could be seen from outside of the store. This is a great example of common sense gun laws that are always being talked about by the anti-gunners.
You show me the kind of smarts makes me wonder if you know the difference between a sneeze and a wet fart.
The mainstream media has done it again. And by it, I mean made another nonsensical anti-gun statement, thus giving us another opportunity to further mock their ignorance. NBC News, while reporting on a recent study on active shooter incidences, noted that gunmen with semi-automatic weapons kill twice as many people as with non-automatic weapons. Now, last I checked, semi-automatic guns are non-automatic guns, aren't they?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious, and don't call me Shirley.
As Hurricane Florence bore down on the southeast, one local municipality thought that the best way to prepare was to issue the following emergency edict.
Fuck you, thunder! You can suck my dick. You can't get me thunder because you're just God's farts.
Effective at 9 p.m. on Wednesday, September 12, 2018, the transportation or possession or the sale or purchase of any dangerous weapon or substance while off one's own premises is prohibited. Recognizing this order as clearly unconstitutional, FPC had our attorneys fire off a demand letter telling them that they need to correct their order to allow for the lawful possession of legally owned firearms by residents. Well, within hours, the city complied with our demands. Although, you gotta wonder what they were thinking in the first place.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
Finally, a professor at the College of Southern Nevada was found on campus with a self-inflicted gunshot wound. Apparently, he shot himself in the arm with a .22 caliber in some form of protest against President Donald Trump. Evidently, effective protests are not this guy's thing.
Oh, well, I tried to start a revolution but didn't print enough pamphlets, so hardly anyone turned up, except for my mum and her boyfriend, who I hate.
Well, that'll wrap up This Week in Gun Rights. If you like these videos, please remember to like and share them and tell your friends to do the same. I'm Craig DeLuz with the Firearms Policy Coalition. We'll talk to you later.
If you like our videos, follow, subscribe, like, and share.